Now, for most people, the centerpiece of their backyard is their grill. Now, it can be as simple as a gas grill like I have here, but I'll tell you, this activity is so popular that people are dedicating part of their patios or their decks and spending a fair amount of money to create fairly elaborate outdoor kitchens. The first issue to consider with an outdoor kitchen is where it'll be located, and the key factor in this decision is whether or not it'll be under cover. Most folks opt for a roof, whether they add one or plan the space under an existing one. But if you're under roof, you should really consider the smoke that invariably comes with cooking over a fire. A vent hood may be a really good idea for both comfort and safety reasons. Even under cover, the components have to resist the weather, and the cabinetry is the real dilemma here. You can build custom cabinets out of treated plywood and coat them with paint, but they do require some upkeep. For low maintenance and a really clean look, check out this stuff. It's called PermaPanel, and it's a polymer-based material that's molded with the color through and through so that it can be fabricated into cabinetry and doors of any style. Of course, most of the appliances and fixtures are stainless steel, so they can take the elements, and that usually includes the grills, which are most often gas models.